Before I connect the power supply line, I'm going to test if it is work, because I'm using the power cord from the previous one. Is this? There is a power button. Yay! The power cord connected successfully. Now I'm going to connect the water supply line. Okay, this is the back of the dishwasher. Down there is water supply line connector. So I'm going to loosen this and pull it out, because my previous old dishwasher and the new one has different connector, so I had to buy this. I had to buy this from Home Depot. It was $5.47, I think. So check the ring. It is good. So I'm going to connect. Okay. Tight. Make it tight. I'm going to use this one. I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to use this to a little bit tighter, because I did the hand tight. I want to make sure it doesn't leak. Actually, I didn't use this. I just keep turning this part to the clockwise, and it is tightened. So now I'm going to remove this. And put the water line from my old dishwasher. I'm going to connect this. Now the water supply line is connected. I first hand tied it, and then I'm supposed to use this, but it doesn't fit, so I used this one because it's easy to adjust the size. Now it's time to take this off and put this drainage hose to this hole in the side of the sink, and also the water supply line hole is in the same thing. There's no bottom in there, so I'll put those two in there and put it in the sink.